making some money this morning on AXON. Just taking some little scalps, making some money. And I'm going to show you kind of what went down in this video. And also, I'm going to give away 5 Hit the Bid t-shirts for you guys that commented yesterday at the end of this video. So you'll check out this video and then you'll win some t-shirts. So stay tuned. So I've got some bad news, got some good news. Bad news is had some technical difficulties this morning. I recorded all this live. It was an amazing video. I was just calling it out. I was like, pew, 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 calling it out here. And what happened was basically, I don't know, OBS, it's not like really, I don't think it's optimized for Mac sometimes. So I went to edit the video and the video file is just like corrupt, or it doesn't work. I don't know. I'm so tired of this computer. I'm so tired of Mac. I'm tired of everything. I'm going to just do a recap so you guys can kind of see what went down. You can see my entries on the chart at least. All right, so this morning, AXON, what did it do? Well, it actually ended up squeezing up here to the 605 area. And we got down here to, what did we get down to? We got down to the 530s, I think. And that's what I was kind of looking. I was actually, so I had to restart all this and I lost all my trend lines. But I had this area here, 540 area, as kind of like, okay, I would love to see a big washout, which is funny. What's funny here is only way I'm buying AXO in today if there's a massive washout that is just too stupid to not buy. And well, that was, what time was that? That was at 8 o'clock this morning. And that was when AXON was really just going crazy. And look what we got at open. I feel like that was a pretty solid washout from 604 down there to that 540 area. That was kind of bouncing pre-market. And that's what I had kind of my eye on. And I got a little bit of a pop. I was hoping for a little bit more of a pop. I was hoping for, 560, 570. That would have been nice. But I ended up getting, I think, 550, 540. So I got 15 cents there. Not bad. I'm happy with that. Now, this next trade, I was telling myself, so I was already up $300 on that trade. And I was telling myself, okay, I'm going to go in with a little bit smaller size. And we'll play this kind of safe here. And worst kind of worst, maybe, add some more if this really starts to break out and go higher. And I ended up getting in there 574, only 500 shares, because I was hoping either I was going to add some more or just kind of play it safe there. I was already up 300. I was already up 300 on the day, and then this kind of pulled back on me here. You can see the VWAP kind of broke down. I was like, okay, Patrick, don't do this. Do not go from green to red. You don't. So I was still, I'm up $200. So at this point, I'm like, all right, I'm not going green to red. I'm not going to do it. We're not making that video today. And here you can see again, jumped in here 573, kind of broke out over this. I was kind of watching this area here, this 570. We broke out over 570, didn't really get enough pullback, got in there 573. And I was hoping we'd really get that push, hoping to get that push to $6. And you can see we got all the way up here to 590. Should have taken profit there, being a little bit greedy. And then I told myself, oh, it's pulling back. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing the red to green. And I ended up taking a smaller profit there. Now, at that point, I was kind of like, I gotta watch this thing. Well, what was crazy is this flag here. Look at this thing. It was beautiful. It ended up breaking out, and it just shot. It was just like boom, boom, boom. There was no dip. There was no opportunity. And that's kind of just what happened there. You can see that beautiful breakout. So after that breakout there, I got up to $6. I got in here at I got in there at 601 again. A little bit smaller size than normal, not 2,000 shares. Just trying to add up, get $100, $100, add it up, have a nice little green day. And I got there at 601, got this sell at 613. Jumped in here, again, 617, small size, and got out for break even. Then I jumped back in one more time there, 615, took in profit there at 624. This was probably my best trade here, actually, at the 619. Hoping for this push, and it was probably my best trade here. Got a little bit bigger size there at 619 and got that push up here to 630, and we ended up getting that push up here to 631. So that was felt pretty good. Now this is kind of where I really screwed up today, because I was just trying to play this tight and ended up getting out for a $100 loss here from 645 down there to 625. Probably should have cut my loss a lot quicker there. I was hoping we get a little more of a bounce back, but this thing, it just starts like selling. When this stock starts selling, it just really crashes quickly, and then it pops back up. It's all over the place. I am not a major fan of the stock by any means. I just really do not like it. I don't like the way it trades. It trades just very it'll go up big, it'll drop big, it'll go up big, it'll drop big, and it just keeps doing that. Keeps going up, keeps going down, and it's just not that fun to trade. So ended up making $499 there on AXON. This would have been an easy $600, $700 trade, day. If I just wouldn't have really kind of done this, gave some profit back. Maybe I would have, had some not taking this. I don't know. There's a couple things I could have done better, but I feel like, overall, kind of got some decent little scalps in there. Really, this was kind of the move that we needed right here. This move from some 570 up there to 6 would have just been really just icing on the cake. A beautiful trade there. Did not get it. Just did not get it there. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of lock it out there. It's almost 11:30. Like I said, I already made this video before, so I'm a little less excited because I'm kind of bummed because I felt like it was a pretty good video, kind of talking through these trades, talking about the overall trade and stuff like that. I got to get it. I got to figure out a new computer. I got to get a new computer. It's the worst part is I just spent $6,000 on this iMac. $6,000 on an iMac that doesn't do everything I need it to do, which is kind of frustrating because, you spend $6,000, you hope that your computer can do what you need it to do and not have any issues. And, it's just the life of a YouTuber. But also, let's give away some t-shirts. Let's do it. Let's do it right now. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put this up here. Don't look at my face. But what we're going to do is I'm basically just going to scroll with my eyes closed. And whoever wins, wins. I'm going to give away 5 shirts today. Maybe I'll give away 5 more another day. But today, let's just do 5. Because, shipping's going to kill me. Shipping's going to kill me on these t-shirts. $2 or $3 per shipping cost. I got to make another trade just to pay for the shipping cost for you guys. But let's do it. 5 shirts. I'm going to close my eyes. And wherever the little mouse ends up at, that's where the winner is going to be. And if you get chosen, if you ended up watching this whole video, you need to email me within 24 hours your address, your actual mailing address. And don't try to be sneaky. Don't try to email me saying that you're Kevin Avery, but if you're not really Kevin Avery. So make sure, I'm going to ask you a question. I'm going to make you prove you are who you are. So don't think that you're going to go and pull one over on me. Don't even think about it. So let's do it here. I'm going to close my eyes, and wherever the mouse ends up is the winner. And all right, Rafael Castillo. I think he wins. All right, Rafael, you're winning. All right, another one. Let's scroll, and winner is Jonathan Wilson. All right, Jonathan. You got 3 more to go here. Let's do it. Scroll up, scroll down, scroll all around, and Jordan Pepper. What? That's crazy. I feel like Jordan Pepper always wins. I don't know how he does it. He's a lucky son of a gun. All right, got 2 more to go here. 1, 2, and BDB director. All right, I got 1 more. Who's going to be the lucky winner? And the lucky winner is Platinum Day Trader. Wow, congratulations. Okay, nice. So there it is. 5 t-shirts today. 5 t-shirts. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. Don't worry, I'm going to give away more shirts soon. I got a bunch of them, and we're going to give them away, and I'm going to make it happen. And just stay tuned. Don't worry. Don't be discouraged. We're going to make it happen. I promise. I promise you. Let's do 6. Do 1 more just for fun. And the winner is Trader Blake. All right. Boom. That's awesome. So we got 6 people. I'm going to weigh 6 shirts. Like I said before, send me your mailing address. I'm going to ship out the shirts to you. And I'll put the link below for what email to send me. It's info@plandaytradeprofit.com. And we'll figure this out. We'll get it done. Thanks a lot for all the support. And on that note, I will talk to you guys later on.